Very hard. Very hard.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Weber County in northern Utah, west central Morgan County in northern Utah, until 1:45 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:17 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Weber State University, or near Ogden, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated and surface observation confirmed. At 1:07 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, the Ogden Airport reported a wind gust to 78 miles per hour from a dry microburst. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Weber State University. For your protection, move until 1:45. Weber, Utah.
I think I'm just going to call it good here.